Hi Cherry Cars, I hope you're all doing okay. We've got another numeracy session today, so I hope you've got your maths brain turned on. Let's switch it on. And you've got your magnet eyes, you've got your ears ready for listening. Give them a little wiggle, just check they're awake and make sure you're sat really comfortably. Brilliant. So we did the number 4 yesterday. We were thinking about what number 4 is and how it is made, and the number after and the number before, but we're thinking about the number, what number's that? Number 5. Can you show me 5 fingers? Show me 5 fingers on your other hand. Show me 5 fingers on your right hand. Show me 5 fingers on your left hand. Brilliant. So this is what number 5 looks like. Can you see number 5? Now we're going to start off by counting to number 5. So we're going to start at 0. We're going to get our fists ready to show 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking at my fingers, what is 1 less than 5? You're right, it's 4. That's the number that comes before 5. Looking at my 5 fingers again, what is 1 more than 5? What's the number that comes after 5? It's number 6. You're right, 1 more than 5 is 6. That's the next number. Brilliant. Okay, we're going to get we've got our little fish tank today. Now, they're enjoying swimming along, they're having a great time. Now, we need to count how many fish are in our fish tank first. So see if you can count with me, okay? As I point, I want you to say the number. 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 fish in our tank at the moment. Now, how many more fish would need to come into the tank to make 5? So that there are 5 fish there. What do you think? I think if we start with 3 in our head, because 3 fish are there, we're going to count on till we get to 5. Are you ready? 3, 4, 5. So how many more fish do we need to come into our tank to make 5? We need 2 more fish. Well done. There we go. And we've got a little baby fish. There we go. So let's just check that we've got 5 fish in our tank. Now, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you see that I counted? I touched each fish as I counted to make sure that I had counted all of them. Now, what about, I'm going to hide this from you so that you don't know. If we only had 1 little fish, or do you think he might be a bit lonely by himself? I think he might need some friends. Yeah, I think we should give him some friends. If we wanted 3 fish all together in our tank, all together, and we only have 1 fish to start with, how many more do you think we need to make 3? Let's put 1 in our head. We're going to count on 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to stop counting because we only need 3. So how many more fish do we need? We need 2 more fish. Out they come. They're swimming. There we go. You're not lonely anymore. What do you think he might be called? Why don't you give him a name? Or it could be a she, actually. So we've now got 1, 2, 3 fish all together. So we actually did 1 add 2 equals 3 altogether. Or you could do, looking at the tank, what other number sentence could you do? We could also do 2 add 1 equals, how many have we got altogether? 3. And we've got 1 more number sentence we could do. Looking at the fish tank now, we could do 1, 2, 3. 3 add 0 equals 3 altogether. There's lots of different ways of making 3. Brilliant. So I'm going to get out my 5 frame now, okay? Remember what we did yesterday where you got whatever you could have found, so you could get some counters, you could find some pebbles, maybe some conkers, whatever you've got, see if you can get them out now. Okay, and we're going to count out. I've got my counters today. Now these are very cool counters because they're double-sided counters, so one side is yellow and the other one is red. We've got 2 colours on each counter, so we're going to use those today. So we're going to count out 5 onto our 5 frame. Are you ready? Count with me. What I want you to do is I want you to count with me, and then you're going to pause the video and you're going to count out 5 things from whatever you've got, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we see you. Oh, dearie me. We seem to be missing. Miss Tomlinson wasn't looking properly. It was under there. Thank you, Mrs. Kitson. So we have 4 counters and then we have 1 more. So 1 more than 4 is 5. You're right, and we need 5 counters, but our 5 frame is completely full. So there are 5 counters, but I've used different colours. Does that mean that there are still 5 counters there? Because this one's red and this one's yellow. Yeah, there are still 5 objects on our 5 frame. There are still 5 counters. It doesn't matter what size or colour they are. We're just counting how many there are there. Brilliant. So I want you to pause the video now and I want you to have a go at counting out 5 different things. It doesn't matter if they are different colours. It doesn't matter if they're different sizes. You're just counting 5 different objects out, okay? And you could arrange them in a different way. You could have a go at arranging them in a straight line. You could have a go at arranging them into a circle. Okay, see what different ways you can arrange your 5 counters, but I need you to check that there are still 5 there when you do that, okay? And your other challenge for the day is see what other ways you can, different things that you can find 5. So, for example, I had a little look around the classroom and I found a couple of other things that I haven't shown you yet. So I found a shape, and we've got a pentagon. Okay, a pentagon, and pentagon's got 5 sides. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a pentagon. I also found a clock. Do you know what time it's showing? It's showing 5 o'clock. The big hand is on the 12. The small hand is on the 5. It's 5 o'clock. All right, so see if you can watch the clock today and see if you can see what time shows 5 o'clock. Maybe it's close to your dinner time, I would imagine. Brilliant. So there are your challenges for the day. So great listening. Well done, everyone. Fantastic. Oh, see you later. Bye.